Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating a backup on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result, check them back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel here, go down and you want to select where it says Chrome OS settings. And then on the right side, you want to go down underneath the option that says miscellaneous, create a backup file for this account, select backup, and then just follow through with the on-screen prompts of creating a backup for your device. And that's all you have to do. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.